Welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this video, I will show you the main features of the Vivo PC software. Each of these features will be explained in detail in the other movies that are part of this Breas PC software tutorial movies. When you open the Vivo PC software, you will start from the home page and immediately notice the four main features of the software. But let's first make sure the software is configured to your needs. As you can see, one can change the language by simply clicking on one of the country flags in the left upper corner of the screen. The language will change immediately to your selected preference. Next time you start a program, it will of course immediately start in your preferred language. From the home page, you can perform four actions. First of all, it allows to download data from a Vivo ventilator. Data which can either be from a patient from whom data have been stored before or from a new patient. Let's assume this is a new patient. You will be asked to complete the patient's first and family name as well as date of birth. When you push OK, the software will ask you to select if the data are to be downloaded directly from the Vivo via a USB cable or from a CF card placed in a card reader connected to your PC. A more detailed explanation on these procedures and how to perform them can be found in our dedicated movie in this tutorial series. With the PC software, it's also possible to look at data that are already stored on your computer. When you click on Analyze Patient Data, all the files you've stored will be shown on your screen. You just have to select your patient in the list, click OK, and the requested data will be shown on the screen. A more detailed explanation on the different data types that can be analyzed will be shown in our dedicated video in this tutorial series. Let's once more go back to our homepage. With the PC software, it's also possible to remotely monitor up to 10 ventilators at a time. After clicking Remote Monitoring and selection of the ventilator that needs to be connected, the software will remotely display the waveforms and monitor data from the selected ventilator. This will be done in a way that is very similar to the way the data are displayed on the Vivo ventilator. All the different possibilities of the remote monitoring and how to use it are explained in detail in a dedicated video in this tutorial series. When we go back to the home page, you can see that there's a fourth action that can be performed, which allows you to quickly handle the memory data and personalize the profile names. When you click on device information, you can easily reset patient time, clear memory data, or change the profile names of a connected ventilator. So as you've seen, the Vivo PC software is an easy-to-use tool to retrieve information from the Vivo ventilators as well as remotely monitor your patients. More detailed information on the different features can be found in the other videos in this series, on our Breas.com website, or by contacting your local Breas representative. Thank you for watching.